Introducing the CALLARON Round Cake Carrier, a must-have accessory for every kitchen. This plastic cake keeper with a lid handle is not only perfect for storing your delicious cakes, but it is also versatile enough to be used for bread, pastries, pies, and cupcakes. Designed with convenience in mind, this cake carrier is a wonderful storage box that ensures safety and hygiene for your customers. Its portable and buckle design makes it ideal for shops, bakeries, cake shops, tea rooms, as well as for home use. The convenient assembly and simple operation of this cake box make it a go-to choice for bakeries and grocery stores. It is made of high-quality and durable material, guaranteeing long-lasting use. What sets this cake carrier apart is its versatility. It can be used as a serving tray keeper, making it perfect for car travel, outdoor picnics, family use, or catering events. With its sealing buckle design, the food inside can be securely sealed, preventing any accidents or spills. Rest assured, the CALLARON Round Cake Carrier is made from food-grade safe materials, ensuring that your cakes and pastries remain fresh and free from any bad odor. It is tasteless, safe, and healthy to use. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter if used internationally. Before purchasing, please check the compatibility to ensure hassle-free use. This cake carrier comes in a beautiful blue color, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. It measures 25x25x13 cm, providing ample space for your baked goods. Don't miss out on this amazing product. Order your CALLARON Round Cake Carrier now and enjoy the convenience and functionality it brings to your kitchen. Product information. Material: PP, color, blue, size, 25x25x13 cm, ASIN, B0C1BLLGPR. Customer reviews: 2.5 out of 5 stars, best sellers rank, number 184,408 in kitchen and dining. See Top 100 in kitchen and dining. Date first available: April 3, 2023. The CALLARON Round Cake Carrier is the perfect solution for all your baking needs. Order yours today and experience the convenience and quality it offers.